pull it out of my hand. There it goes. Another good tug.
Oh, good boy, you got it.
Yes, look at you, Mr. Prance.
Are you proud of it?
Yes.
Are you proud?
Oh, kidding. Okay, you want to do this one then? You want to do this one then? Huh? Okay.